Hello guys, I'm going to react to my videos, which is the latest and not latest. We are in the latest category, so let's do this. I already watched the one.
Finally got Jane though.
It's so easy to get Jane Doe and Forsaken, bro.
Finally got Passing once. I don't have Robux, but they still can play.
That account is now banned.
Maybe just
I don't know how. So I switched my account.
that account was old.
Yeah.
Last
Now you can't add that
when
anymore because it is not
I don't have.
currently available.
Just wanted to show you guys what
Why did he play off
Jane Doe
camera?
looks
Why
like.
did I play off
And
camera?
different things.
Wait a second. What the heck is that? What was that?
Use
Why is there an X in the middle of the screen?
don't see the spawn protection.
The heck? You don't know that? Now he's giving us tips.
Use your hatchet in
You
necessary
download
times.
yet?
Like when you're
No,
on health,
no,
you
no.
don't have
Yeah, you
any
don't do
shatter
that.
point
No.
HP. Use your hatchet
That's the
even
shift
though you
lock,
don't
right?
have resonance.
What? That's the shift lock. You download it. What shift lock? I'm not even in shift lock.
The literary meaning of the hatchet
Because
is
Boy's
to
just yapping at
stun
this point, bro.
make the killer.
You're
Just like
dumb
me, I
in
can't even
the
do anything to the killer.
Ah, okay. Bro, why do you use your hatchet in early, bro? That's kind of weird. I don't know.
Why so many guns? Use
Yeah,
Jane Doe.
maybe it's a playful server, and this is the the um, the expired version of Forsaken. So
This is
do
what
not trust
Masterman
this.
looks like. He is a tester at this point, and the corruption didn't spread on John Doe.
What Jane Doe? I thought John Doe was the
So
corrupted
is
one.
already out. I didn't know that. And basically, Jane Doe is like a aggressive place. You can do that.
Yeah, I'm
Anyway,
already
if you're
aggressive with
wondering
this
what
one,
is the
bro.
browser
Why are you giving us Steam?
in the screen, that is how they
really No, I'm not playing at computer. I'm playing at CPU. Bro, I'm so slow at doing the generators at my father's CPU.
this character is pretty simple to do because she's like Zelensky but better. Oh,
Oh, he got juked, bro. He got juked.
does he even have resonance on it?
Yes, yeah, he does have resonance.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Although I
it's good.
only have 20 shatter point, I can still regen some of it by using my hatchet.
Yeah, good.
Run away!
Bro, I almost got damaged there, guys. No, why did you miss the crystal pitch? Bro, I suck. Bro, I suck. I'm going to die.
Can't go to that different spot. Anyways, I can't. Sorry if I get.
Why you suck?
I get
That's
attacked.
literally me playing.
Oh, I'm pretty good at shooting.
He throw a jar at a killer, bro, and gives him resonance.
Killers.
Bro, the hatchet!
See, I told you, I'm not better at this game. I just wanted to show you how Master 1 looks like. You can already tell from the card that she is a tester. And the corruption didn't go on John Doe. Although I already have John Doe, without skins of course, I wanted to use him.
Without skins. Why does the
So hi
caption
guys,
say with no
just
skins?
wanted to teach you
What
how
the
to
heck
use
is
Jane
these
Doe.
captions? They suck.
And nope, I wasn't even teaching you. I was teaching you how to die. Bye bye.
Okay. You didn't even help us. Oh, it's me. It's me that doing the video. I'm suck. And the other video yesterday is this. TSB if my with my Saitama moves it. The strongest battlegrounds. Skill builder is free now. And then let's go react to my latest video, bro. Why already this video? Yes. Get a new video, bro. No, I don't. I'm going to post this, bro. Why don't you know it? Then I edit this in Vidna Recorder. You can see it there. But I'm literally using my screen recorder. So that means let's just listen to the video, bro. Bro, let's listen to the video. Bro. No. Ow!
And the only thing that changed, I don't know why, but it's
Wait, I know I watched this earlier, bro. I already watched that. What the heck is this?
hello, my fellow people.
Oh, this is the murder mystery gameplay.
I'm sick because I am sick, and I'm going to try other games like Fire District. What the fuck is that? I don't know what that is. And Jeff is just too scary for me. And I'm going to play I don't know. Let me play Murder Mystery, but cause I don't play Murder Mystery that much because so I never become murderer. I want to
Yeah,
become
bro. Yeah,
murderer.
bro. Yeah,
But
I
I
don't become
never
murderer
become
that much,
murderer.
but I still give it a try because I
That
suck.
and that there. Moving. Phone?
Wait a second. Why is the video too short?
Whoa!
Yeah, bro.
Pretty cool
But
game.
let's just leave it.
What the heck is this? Whoa! Luggages. 1002. Okay, okay. First call me a weirdo because
Wait, let me just listen.
and if I don't become murderer, I suck at this game. Need to hide, bro. I need to hide. Oh no 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 no! You are a murderer. You are a murderer. No no. Hiding hiding.
And I also frequently change my avatar, so you might get confused if you add me. But I am the guest currently.
What the hacker is that? No no. You're the murderer. You're the murderer. I do not want to choose anymore.
Wait, did we win? Wait a second.
What happened? Did we win? Yes, sir. Sheriff, kill the bacon. I knew it was the bacon, bro. I knew it was the bacon. Biolab, birthplace, research facility. I want the research facility. I want the biolab more. Okay, let me just.
Why did I roam around the map? I know I'm going to die anyways.
FIFA World Cup. Straight to the
Hey,
void.
that house is literally leading to the void, bro.
Oh,
Right?
take it.
Yeah. And it sucks anyways. Why am I always innocent, bro? Tell me.
Is there a way
Tell me in the
other
comments.
goal for me?
Yeah. Like and subscribe also.
Because
And
clearly there's nothing.
please subscribe because I need it.
It's
Please.
normally place.
I have a goal of 40 subscribers.
Who's the killer?
Right?
No, you're the killer.
But all
Oh,
subscribers
I've been
are
the killer
K,
times now.
I mean thousand and
No,
million.
no, no, you are
Yeah,
not kidding me.
bro.
You are
We
not
only
kidding me.
have tens. Yes, we have tens. We only have ten. Bro.
How did I die?
Yeah, bro. How did I die?
I got the gun, but I died. How did I die? Bro, that's cheating.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, that's cheating. He's the murderer and he just ricochets that bullet out of his head. What the heck happened to me? Comment, comment, please, comment. How did I die?
I don't know, bro. I don't
Bro,
know.
I hate this game. That's why I don't play this. Oh. Now I want to play this. Oh. No, I don't want to play this. This is freaking cheating. I don't like that. I don't like that hacker. You hacker. What happened to my screen?
Yeah, bro. What happened to my screen, bro?
No. Did the sheriff die too? The sheriff died. Wait, I saw him. I saw him. Right? I shot him. Bro, that's cheating, bro. That's cheating. I shot him. I shot him. And then he just went like that. No, that's cheating, bro. That's cheating. He has wall hacks. Bro, he has target priority.
Yeah, bro. He's cheating.
I'm not.
Bro, why am I always innocent at this point, bro? No murder. Even sheriff, I don't get it. And I suck at that game, bro.
I don't want to play that too. I'm not playing that, bro. I'm not playing that.
Wait, who commented on my I got rage bait?
Okay, don't play.
Bro, I used Tagalog in that video. I don't like that. Later on, I'm going to make a video about Devil Devil. But see you tomorrow. See you later. Like and subscribe and comment how this video came out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.